What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another exciting adventure with the Mosh Mob. So today we're here at the Hendersen Bird Sanctuary and Nature Preserve, and we're gonna walk around and see some birds apparently. Spent years earning peace with the birds and the bees and the redwood trees, long walks on a beach, and I'm tall so I reach. This is all that I seek. If it's offered up free, you'll get more with a please. Gonna feast with the enemy, seeking at your energy, leave you with a memory, seeping through the melody. Even if they're telling me I'm acting reckless, I'm lacking senses in a past dimension. I'm the best damn friend you could ever have. Whoop. So what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another exciting adventure with the Mosh Mob. I'm here with Jeff and Nate, and we're here at the Hendersen Bird Sanctuary Preserve, and we're gonna go bird hunting.
We're gonna go see some birds.
Is that a bird? Make loud noises to assert dominance. Right here next to this pretty awesome lake.
Look at them. Oh, they're mean bastards.
Where's the geese?
Right in front of you. Just walk right.
Like what? Where? Nah, 3-on-1. 3-on-1, we can take it. Loud noises to assert dominance, Nate. Damn, nature, you're scary.
Nature.
Birds of prey. Down on the ground. That's cool, neat. So I didn't really see no signs that said I couldn't fly a drone. So I think I really want to try to. And this looks like nice enough area right here behind me to try. Right? Should I try to fly the drone? Oh boy. Don't mind me. Look at all the neat cactus.
No, sir. Too far away.
Apparently they saw a roadrunner.
Yeah.
It's too fast for me.
Now we're just looking for the coyote.
Yep.
We should swim out to that and overtake it. This is our pier now.
I told you about my mom saying that, right?
Yeah, your mom.
We won't let her.
Tell them how you feel.
Cool to go stand out there, though.
That'd be kind of neat.
On to the next part.
That way?
Yeah, we're gonna walk all the way around. Literally, just as I was getting focused.
Yeah, the nice like a bellfield.
Yeah.
Always swarming in that circle eating. Keep swimming, just keep swimming. At normal, at normal.
Haha.
Don't worry.
He's more talkative than I am. He's like, I'll entertain you. Yeah, cool. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
It's extremely peaceful out here, I must say that. Ha ha. Oh geez. This is pretty neat.
That's the cool part, because it is free.
I say to y'all, my people.
Burrow somewhere.
We ready to walk all the way around this?
Yeah, pretty much.
Can you believe it?
There was a couple spots we didn't quite go, but
Yeah, pretty much. Okay guys, we took a little walk around the Hendersen Bird Sanctuary. Now we're gonna take off. They close at 2 most days. It's only 1 o'clock now, but we pretty much walked the whole thing, and we're gonna take off further down the road, go more into the wetlands, and a lot more open space, and I'll talk to you guys down the road. Hello again, everybody. So me, Jeff, and Nate decided to come down the road a little bit more to Jeff's favorite spot. You guys actually seen this spot. Me, Justin, and Jeff came out here at the very end of my a day in the life of the local Las Vegas. video, you'll see this spot that we're about to check out. But we're out here with Nate now, so he can get a glimpse of it, and we're gonna have some fun. You can do it. You can do it, Nate.
I get there.
You'll make it.
I'll get there.
Yeah.
Way too close.
I'll see you later, bro.
On a net. The twins went downhill.
Yeah, at least their
I
sister's
like their
hot.
younger sister though.
Yeah. What's her name? Elizabeth or something?
Yeah.
Elizabeth Olsen.
She was
Scarlet Witch.
Yep.
Love
She's
her.
pretty sexy still, at least.
So I'm gonna stand here for about an hour from the water.
Recording the water.
That's gonna be my whole video.
It is only right up the street.
What's up, everybody?
Yeah.
Taking a walk through the woods again, because it's what we like to do. Jeff,
Huh?
is an awesome dude. He decided to bring us out here during mosquito mating season, apparently. I didn't film none of it, but we walked through these clouds of bugs. They're crazy.
Clouds.
So yeah, you guys have all seen this area before in my Carrot Top video with me, Jeff, and Justin. We're coming up sometime on this crazy Alice in Wonderland type cave thing that I ran through.
Oh yeah.
And then the Army Men guy hill. That shit was awesome.
That's down a little ways.
This is what happens. We always somehow end up in the desert. Just wandering in the desert. How does that even happen? I don't even know. But I just I'm going crazy. I think. Is this what losing your sanity feels like? Or gaining your sanity back. Coming back to my senses. Okay, apparently they found a hole in the mountain right there. And we're just gonna go see what it's all about. It's the most interesting thing we found today so far, I think. At least in my book, a hole on the mountain is definitely something to go check out. Can you see it? Can you see the hole? We're gonna go explore it. Your new home?
I'm sure like people see broken glass.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Oh wow. Damn.
This is kind of interesting.
It's so weird how sound is like
Oh, it's muffled as fuck.
muffled, like crazy muffled.
Look at all the bat shit.
That shit.
That's bat shit.
Of course,
Is that as
Nate.
far as it goes?
Yeah,
Dang.
that's dope though.
Look at these rocks.
From explosion or picking?
Oh, that's crazy. I think they're all gone. Going that way. Looks easier. Which it probably won't be because I picked it.
So, we came, we saw, we conquered here at this awesome spot. I love you guys. Hope you enjoy this episode. I'll catch you guys soon.
Miss you, Justin. Hashtag where's Justin?
Hashtag where's Justin? Oh man. We'll see you guys soon.